It's easy to use without compromising on quality or features. Check it out. First, we have our 16-track sequencer, which makes editing your musical masterpiece on the fly fast and effortless. A powerful yet highly intuitive interface allows you to mix your beats without the headache that comes when learning other complicated software. Copy bars or multiple bars with 2 clicks. Tweak each track's volume, low tones, mid-tones, high tones, and pan settings individually until you get the perfect sound. Mute tracks or play them solo to fine-tune that beat. It really is that easy. Next, we have our kick-ass drum machine. A massive 12 pads per kit and a huge database of booming exclusive mastered sounds to choose from, so you can let your talent shine through. Want to add your own samples? No biggie. Dr. Drum makes it drag and drop simple to import your own custom sounds to use with your beats. Is that awesome or what? You'll also get our 4-octave keyboards where you can add pianos, guitars, synth, strings, bass, FX, and much more, allowing you to knock out awesome beats like crazy. And remember, you can import samples into this section too, giving you the ability to create your own truly unique custom hits. Pretty good so far, right? Well, that's not all, because once you're done, you'll be able to easily export your crazy beats to 44:1 stereo WAV files, not MP3s like the other guys. Seriously, any pro in the music industry will laugh at you for using MP3s. Sure, they're popular